It's been 2 years in the vibrant city of Los Angeles, which has been such a transformative journey to say the least. The move was more than a change of address for me. I became more confident, more independent, more resilient. The growth that happened in this city and the friendships I've cultivated, I'll forever be grateful. Now it's time to relocate again with the help of Piece of Cake, and I just want to put my feet up and relax because this is a stressful process. And one thing I'm going to do is let the professionals help, okay? Moving into the new year from coast to coast can be such a daunting task, but now with Piece of Cake. The experience was seamless as the guys made sure my belongings were securely packed and transported safely. All we had to do was sit there, relax, and kiki while they take care of the heavy lifting. Truly a piece of cake, and it's giving soft life if you ask me. I was a little worried about my massive couch, but look at her, protected safely in the truck. And if you need storage until you find your new home, they got you covered.